Good evening, everyone. Once again, it's another lesson to continue. And before we can move on with this new lesson, let us review the previous one. In our previous lesson, we learned letter U. And since you are familiar with letter A to Z, can you guess what letter comes after letter U? Yeah? Okay. Letter V. V. I would like to take these few seconds to demonstrate the letter V. V. So anytime you are going to pronounce any word that starts with letter V, remember the upper teeth will be on your lip. So it will be like this. Then you release the air. V. This is letter V. Letter V. We also have another letter. It is the same letter V, but this one is the lowercase letter V. V. Everybody. V. Letter V. Okay, this is the uppercase letter V. Lowercase letter V. In order to help us to continue to pronounce any word that starts with the letter V, it is very important for us to practice the sound. So in this case, we are going to focus on here to be able to pronounce it very clearly. V. So we are going to use V. As I've already mentioned and demonstrated, when you are going to pronounce this V, remember that your teeth will be on your lip like this. Then the air that is accumulated in your mouth will be released. V. Okay. Now this is V. But in letters, this is capital V, which is uppercase V, lowercase v. But our focus now is going to be on sound, the letter sound. So we are using V. I have some photo here. It is one of the birds that are mostly found sometime around the market, sometime around where meats are sold, or where you can, or a refuse dump that you can find them there. And this bird flies all over places to look for food, and they live on something like intestines of a chicken or whatsoever. Can you guess what bird is this? And I think it is not common in many geographical locations. So let us take this advantage to identify this bird. And this is the bird. And this is vulture. 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 So in trying to pronounce this, we should always remember the sound. V, 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 v. So this is v, vulture, v, vulture. I also have another photo. It is also very common, especially where the building site is, and mostly it is used by contractors to be shared to their workers. They wear it on top of their dressing. In the night it reflects. Sometimes security personnel also use. Okay, that's it. This is vest, 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 vest. V, v, vulture, 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 v, v, vest, vest, vest. Okay, let us go over again. V, vulture, thank you. V, vest, good. We also have something that is very common, and it can be found on our streets in many places, and that is van, van, van. This type of shapes or cars that are called van, they are only used for carrying goods. So vehicles that are used in carrying goods like this shape, they are called van, 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 van. Again, van. Let us go over again to see if we can still remember this. This is letter V, uppercase letter V. This is lowercase letter V. In other words, it is called capital V and small v. So we have uppercase V, lowercase v. To help us to pronounce these photos that is here and any other letter that starts with the letter V, the sound will sound like this. V. Everybody. V. 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 As I've already demonstrated earlier on, anytime you want to pronounce V, remember that your teeth will be on your lip, then the air that comes out will help you to pronounce it. V, 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 v. So v, vulture, v, vest, v, van. Okay, I want you to say it and let's see. Okay, let's listen to him. Again, v, vulture, good. V, vest, good. V, van, van. Okay. Let us also look at how we can easily identify them whenever we find them. So, this is vulture. This is vest. This is van. So we should always remember that this is uppercase V, lowercase v. In other words, it can be called capital V or small v. Uppercase V, lowercase v. Now let us practice the sound again. V. See my teeth on top of the lip. V. V, 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 vulture, v, vulture, v, v, vest, vest, v, van, van, v, vest, v, vulture. Okay. It is also very important to learn how to write the letter V. Before we will be able to do it very easily, we have to follow the dotted line, then we'll be able to trace. So in this exercise, it is called tracing. 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 We are tracing the V. Start from here. Go this way. We get the small V. Okay. In this exercise, it is only pencil that is allowed to be used. So remember to use your pencil whenever you are doing this exercise, and this exercise is tracing. Tracing. So you put your pencil at this, make your hand less visible, go like this, follow it slowly, 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 slowly. You are done. Come to this side, you follow the same procedure. you are done. The same procedure is going to be used on this small one also. This. Then we get this one. We are done. So this is how to write the letter V, uppercase, the lowercase letter V. So we go over again. Now you are going to lead me in getting all this thing done. So everybody stand up. Okay, let's go. V, uppercase V, lowercase v. Now we are going to do the sound, letter sounds. Letter sound V, vulture, V, vest, V, van. So remember that letter V, whenever you are trying to pronounce it, your teeth should be on your lip. V, V, V. Okay. I think this is where time will permit us. Continue to practice this, and we have a lot of videos that will be uploaded. Remember also to visit our YouTube channel, Cambodia Intellectuals Academy, on Facebook and other social media platforms. Until we meet again, I wish you good luck, good health. Thank you very much.